In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download resume from Glassdoor. If you've uploaded your resume to Glassdoor and now need a copy for an application, a quick email, or your records, this is the easiest method to get it back onto your device. First, sign into your Glassdoor account. You can do this on the website in any browser or through the Glassdoor app. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account you used when you originally uploaded your resume. If you have multiple accounts, this is a common reason people can't find their file. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. On mobile, that profile area might be tucked behind your account or profile tab, but the option you want is the same. From the menu that opens, select either resume and experience or job preferences. Both paths lead to the same place you need, which is the resume section. Scroll down until you see the resume area. If you've already uploaded a resume, you'll see it listed there, typically with the file name and a small download or view icon next to it. Go ahead and click the file name or the download view icon. On desktop, that will either download the file immediately or open it in a new tab where you can use the download button. On mobile, it may open a preview. Look for the share or download option to save it to your device. By the way, I've placed the official Glassdoor website link, plus the iOS and Android app download links, right at the top of the description, so you can jump straight in and follow along. If you don't see a resume listed, that simply means there isn't one uploaded to the account you're using. In that case, check that you're signed in to the right profile. If the file opens in your browser instead of downloading, use the download arrow or right-click and choose Save As on desktop. On iPhone, use the Share button to save to files. On Android, look for the download icon and confirm where the file is saved. Most devices will default to your downloads folder, so if you can't find it later, check there. It's also a good idea to rename the file to something clear, like resume your name, and note whether the format is PDF or docx to match what employers request. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open your profile menu, head to Resume and Experience or Job Preferences, scroll to the Resume section, and click your file to download. If this helped, please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.